Have you ever thought that your beauty treatments could be jeopardizing your health? You might be overlooking critical nutrition warning signs hidden in the products you apply to your skin. This isn't just a trend, it poses a potential risk to your well-being. Natural beauty is trending. Organic oils, herbal masks, and diuresis are everywhere. However, these popular treatments could be throwing your nutritional balance off kilter, with many unaware of the hidden dangers lurking in their beauty routines. Imagine indulging in a trendy avocado face mask, soaking in those natural vibes. However, that avocado might lack essential nutrients your skin desperately needs. While you pamper your skin, your body could be silently suffering. You may believe you're making healthy choices, but many natural ingredients can interfere with nutrient absorption. With your busy life, it's easy to overlook how seemingly harmless products, like popular essential oils, impact your nutrition. Are you truly prioritizing your overall health? Picture yourself enjoying a luxurious facial at a spa, feeling rejuvenated, but what if the products used are harming your gut health? It's a shocking realization that what you apply to your skin could be affecting your digestive system more than you know. The more you use these natural treatments without understanding their effects, the higher the risk of nutrient depletion. Your body's stress signals, like fatigue or sudden skin issues, might be going unnoticed, with the real problem hiding in plain sight. The connection between beauty and nutrition is complex yet vital. Think back to the last time you felt amazing after a treatment. What if that glow was masking a nutritional deficiency? This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. As you chase that radiant glow, consider this: could your quest for beauty be leading you astray? The stakes are rising as you uncover the risks beneath those natural labels. Your beauty routine could be a double-edged sword. Now, it's crucial to take control of your beauty and wellness by being mindful of your choices. Seek treatments that nourish your skin while supporting your nutritional needs. It's time to become a savvy consumer in both beauty and health. As you look in the mirror, remember, true beauty radiates from within. Don't let your pursuit of natural beauty compromise your nutrition. Reflect on your choices and consider consulting a professional about balancing beauty and health. So, how can you align your beauty rituals with your dietary needs? The answer may be simpler than you think. Now that you are aware, what will you choose? Have you ever thought that your natural beauty routine might be affecting your health? It sounds surprising, right? But stick with me, what you discover could be quite eye-opening. Imagine applying a homemade facial mask and feeling those soothing ingredients soak into your skin. It feels amazing, doesn't it? But what if that same mask is actually drawing essential nutrients out of your body? Many people miss this crucial connection between beauty treatments and nutritional balance. Let's dive deeper. You might be shocked to learn that many natural products can disrupt your body's delicate nutritional harmony. Take that trendy detox drink everyone raves about. It promises glowing skin, but do you know what it might be leaching from your system? Picture this: you're sipping your daily green juice, feeling like a wellness superstar. But after a while, fatigue sets in. You might blame your hectic schedule, but what if that juice is actually draining your body of vital vitamins and minerals? And what about essential oils? They smell divine and claim to offer a range of beauty benefits. But have you considered how they might impact your body's nutrient absorption? It's not all sunshine and rainbows, there's a hidden downside. As we explore this topic, you'll see how common mistakes can lead to significant nutritional gaps. Perhaps you are overusing a natural remedy, thinking more is better. In reality, you could be stressing your body, resulting in unexpected issues. Now, let's take this a step further. You've tried every natural treatment out there, yet your skin still lacks that coveted glow. Frustrating, right? What if the answer lies in your nutrition being thrown off balance by these treatments? Here's the key point: the solution is to ditch everything you love. It's about finding a balance between beauty and nutrition. Imagine thoughtfully curating your routine, choosing ingredients that enhance your outer beauty while nourishing you from within. As we wrap up, consider this: what if your pursuit of beauty is quietly undermining your health? It's time to pause and reflect on how your choices impact your nutritional balance. Remember, embracing natural beauty doesn't have to come at a cost. Choose wisely and let your inner radiance shine. If this resonates with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's start a conversation about true beauty and its deep connection to our health. Reflect on this: are you caring for your body as much as you care for your skin? Weigh the benefits against the potential risks. Embrace beauty, but don't forget about your health. So, what's your next move? Choose wisely, not just for the glow on the